Warner Library tutorial page. In this video, we will go over some basic information on how to use Eagle Search, a discovery tool that allows you to find resources from our electronic and print collections. Let's get started. The Eagle search bar is located on the library's website. Our assignment is to research differing viewpoints on euthanasia. Let's start with a basic search. After you've typed in your keyword, click Search. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your Eastern credentials. These would be the same as what you use to log into My Eastern or your campus email. The first page that appears will be your results. The results are ordered by relevance and automatically filtered to resources that are available at the library. To refine your results, look under the search bar for filters. We have a separate video going over the various filters and how to use them. Please check out our filters video linked in the description below. At the top of the results list are research starters that are available on many general topics and contain information about the topic that was originally published in encyclopedias and dictionaries, such as Salem Press or Oxford. Use these sources to gain an overview of your topic before diving into the results. Each item in the results list can be saved using the bookmark icon. You can also use the triple dot icon to see the citation, add it to a project, share it with others, or download a PDF if applicable. You can also hit Access Now or View Details to obtain a direct link to the resource or see more information about it. Over on the left is My Dashboard, which can be used to organize your research. This is also where you will find the publications list and concept map under the research tools. Videos about these features can be found in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. To see more videos, check out our YouTube channel, and don't hesitate to contact the library staff for additional assistance.